heat. Normal. Yep. Oh, yeah. Something in there is loose. Look at that. And yeah, something. Look at that. I can see it up there. Okay, let's get this baby all the way up.
Every time they see me, they can G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. But I'm shining so bright, so bright. Don't come and try to share some of this light, no. Give me a beat and I control it like a maestro. Ladies on a mission, they be trying to get me wiped up. Shouty, wait a minute, can't tell if I like her. Gotta make sure you know how to shake it like a bartender.
Well, alright, it might just be the control arm. So I gotta take either that nut or bolt, I'm not sure which one it comes off, take this control arm, separate it, remove this big ass bolt there, and the ball joint here. Alright, let's get to it. So let's just preempt here and here and there. I don't know, don't hurt. Alright. It's got a vice grip on. Alright, let's see. And the vice grip just isn't biting well enough to keep this stationary while that turns out. I'm just gonna take a cutting wheel and zip. Boom. There we are. Oh, goodbye. I say let's go after the ball joint next. There we are. Boom. All right, that came out. Finally. So I'm trying to preserve the ball joint so I don't have to replace it. So I'm gonna put this on just to keep it from popping way out. I put this in gingerly to save the boot, I hope. So let's see. Woo! All right, did it. Okay, so that is out. Let's see if I can. Okay, all right. I was expecting to get a crowbar or something, but that leaves 2 big bolts left, which I'm sure will easy peasy. Also a 19mm. Last night I sprayed some penetrating oil in there. So let's see what happens. All right, let's go to 11.
Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive.
First thing I'm gonna try is just put some heat on that nut. Nothing. Okay, let's give it another shot. All right, it's doing nothing. All right, just for giggles, I'm gonna try this Nitro Cat 1200K. Let's see. One other thing that has worked in the past, and that is I'm just gonna heat the head of the bolt. There's probably other stuff just corroded and seized together in that sleeve. I have had luck before just heating the head of the bolt and letting the heat transfer. Nothing, Commander, nothing. Try one thing. I'm gonna try to get a big wrench and see if I can turn that nut up top. It's doing nothing. Okay. That big bolt's supposed to turn, which means I need to get a bigger breaker bar. Maybe I'll get lucky. Come on now. All right, I'm trying this now. Just breaker bar and an extender. And we're just gonna... It's still not budging. So I went online and apparently this nut and bolt on this make and model, certainly in the Rust Belt, everyone ends up chopping it off. So before I go any further, I'm gonna work on the other one to make sure I can get that one out So this is all I'm using for now, just a breaker bar with a 17 millimeter socket on the end. So, ooh, it moved. Hang on, let's try that again. All right. What am I doing? All right, look at this finger. Finger looking loose.
Oh my.
I would like to get that nut free so I could at least move it up so I can just have a nice clean cut of the bolt. I was able to get a box wrench on there. That does not want to go, so I'm going to get some acetylene. Let's get a cherry red. Let's try my gentleman's torch. Oh, did it bust? Oh, yes. All right. Yeah, that's what I want to hear. Come on now. Come on. Break bar. I'm gonna try this 5-foot pipe. You can't see the whole thing, but it's a 5-foot pipe I used with my nephew years ago to bust loose the crankshaft bolt. Oh my God, it's moving. Oh, it moved. So after much deliberation, I've decided I'm going to take my cutting wheel and cut that and try to just get the entire control arm off from that metal shoulder. So I get that rubber and everything off and just get the exposed shoulder. And then hopefully I can put heat and do what I got to do to separate the bolt from the inside of that shoulder. My next move, I think I'm gonna cut this here. All right, let's see. Almost there, come on! Ah! I think I yeah! Milwaukee Mini Zawzaw, 1 battery, did all that. There, done and done. Woo! Did I get it? Woo! All right, at least that piece is off. Yay! Come on, getting that rough. Woo! There it is, boys. That's what we came here for. Keep a tidy workshop. The shoulder isn't turning, so something's turning, or the bolt is about to snap. Oh! Hey! Got the bolt. Ugh. Okay. I think we broke the bolt. Oh yeah. Ooh, look how it spins so freely.
Bruh.
And there it is. Look at that, got the bottom out, hot diggity. Oh, that was quick work. There it is. Whew, like removing a bullet. Now let's go back with this. Woo! Oi! Okay, there it is with everything out. But you need to be careful if you were just gonna start cutting this out with the entire bushing and everything in there. Note that this lip, shoulder, whatever it's called, is on the bottom. On the top, it's just flat. All right, that's it for now. Let's go do an autopsy. Here it is put back together. Here's where I made the big cut. I'm just taking this all apart so you see top of the bolt. Here's the inside shoulder. There's what's left of the rubber bushing. And look at this. I mean, that bolt is as seized as I can imagine. I don't see how that bolt reasonably would ever come loose from the shoulder. So I believe in a video I saw of Eric O with an acetylene torch and a second set of hands, he was able to break free this bolt from the shoulder. Now let's look. MEVTEC Supreme Chassis Part from Rock Auto. So the bolt that comes with this, I believe, is for the ball joint. Here's the replacement. Looks like it'll do the trick. I'm gonna check the ball joint, the existing one, and I'll probably leave this in. But now I gotta find a new bolt. Oy. So that's gonna be, I'm sure, $19.99 from the dealer. Well, okay, well, just note, the bolt that comes with the MEVTEC is not the big bolt like I thought it was. It's just for the ball joint. Let's look at the sway bar link. This looks about right. So, all right, I'm just gonna take the side of it off so I can remove it completely from the sway bar. Oh, woo! So the last thing to do is remove the ball joint from this knuckle. That should come off fairly easy, but nothing has been easy with this vehicle. I'm sure it won't be so simple as... Let's try an air hammer, because I don't want to bend anything. Yeah, I don't like this. This is also being stubborn. This, I gotta be careful of the rubber. CV boot I'm worried about. Here's a pro tip. If I were to do this all over again, or was starting to replace the other one, I would loosen that before I took the control arm off so it has stability, and if I had to get a big breaker bar on there, I could. Whoa! Oh shit, did I break that? Oh, fudge. Look. Yep. Yep, there it is. Still there. Oh, crap. Well, I guess, I can still see how easy this comes out. All right, you get out of my way. This is getting a little bit ridiculous. I tried something else. It just didn't work. My next plan is I put what's left of the control arm back in. I only have one place to attach it because I hacked off the other side. And I've tightened the bolt there, and I intend to crowbar this down, hopefully pop it out, or get a sledgehammer and something big up top and beat it out. So I've decided I need to just take the whole knuckle off. I have been beating on that with a 2x4 and a sledgehammer and an extension. Nothing's coming off. Oh, so these bolts here, of course, giving me problems. So I'm going to heat them up and at least crack these loose. I got the outer tie rod nut out. I got the caliper off. So these are the last two probably worst ones to do. And then I got to take the bracket for the brakes off and then just the axle nut. Still don't know how I'm going to get that ball joint out. That is seized in like nobody's business. Well, there it is. I got the knuckle out. That was another son of a gun. Here it is. That thing, I believe, is just seized in there, just like the control arm bolt. But let me get a whiskey and think about it.
Mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. But I'm shining so